Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Max.
Are you ready for today?
I think so. A little nervous, too.
That's normal. This is your first time.
Yes, I need to visit my friend Anna today.
And she lives across town, right?
Right, near the old library.
Then we need to take the bus.
I have never taken the bus alone before.
Don't worry, I will help you today.
Thank you, Max. That makes me feel better.
Look, here is the bus schedule.
Oh, there are so many numbers.
I know, it looks confusing at first.
What does this number mean?
That is the bus number. We need bus 12.
Bus 12. Okay, I will remember that.
And this column shows the times.
The next bus 12 comes at 9:15.
Exactly. You are reading it well already.
Really? I feel a little proud now.
You should. It's not so hard.
What time is it now?
It's 9:05. We have 10 minutes.
Good. I don't want to be late.
We won't be late. We have time.
Where do we wait for the bus?
Right here, at this sign.
This sign with the picture of a bus?
Yes, that one. This is the bus stop.
Oh, now I understand. Easy.
See? It's already easier than you thought.
You're right. I feel a little calmer now.
Look, someone is joining us at the stop.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. Waiting for bus 12?
Yes, how did you know?
This stop is only for bus 12 and bus 14.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's written small, right there on the sign. Ah, I see it now.
Thank you.
You're welcome, dear. My name is Chen. Nice to meet you. I'm Lily.
And I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
Is this your first time on this bus?
Yes, actually. How did you guess? You keep looking at the schedule. Ha, you noticed that. Don't worry, I take this bus every week.
Do you have any tips for me?
Yes, always have your fare ready.
What does fare mean?
The fare is the money you pay for the ride.
Oh, I understand now.
You can pay with cash or a bus card. I only have cash today. That's fine. Cash works well too.
How much is the fare?
It's $2 for one ride.
$2.
Okay, I have that. Good. Just put it in the box by the driver.
I will remember that. Thank you, Chen.
Of course, dear. Oh, look, here it comes.
Good morning, folks. Watch your step.
Good morning.
Good morning. Fare box is right here, you're right.
Okay, here is my money.
Perfect, thank you. Find a seat when you can.
Thank you.
Let's sit here near the window.
Good idea. I want to see outside.
Alice said just behind you two. Great. Thank you for your help earlier. Anytime, dear. Max, how do we know when to get off?
Good question. Do you see that string above the window?
Yes, I see it.
You pull it when you want the next stop.
Oh, like a signal for the driver.
Exactly. It rings a small bell.
That's clever. I like that.
Some buses have a red button instead.
How many stops until we get off?
Let me check. It looks like 6 stops.
6 stops. Okay, I will count them.
Good plan. I'll help you too.
This bus is very smooth.
Yes, it's a comfortable ride.
I like watching the shops go by.
Me too. It's a nice morning for a ride.
Max, what does that sign say? Next stop requested.
That means someone already pulled the string.
Oh, I see the light is on.
Right. Watch. The bus will slow down soon.
It's slowing down now. Wow, you were right.
See? You're learning fast.
I really am. This is fun, actually.
I'm glad. It's not scary anymore, right?
No, not really. Just new. Max, wait, was that our stop?
Let me check the count again.
I think I lost count. I'm a little worried.
It's okay. Let's ask someone.
Excuse me, do you know this route well?
Yeah, I ride this bus every day. Where are you headed?
The stop near the old library.
Oh, easy. That's 2 more stops from here.
Really? Thank you so much.
No problem. First time on this bus?
Yes, is it that obvious?
A little, but you're doing great.
Thank you, that makes me feel better.
The library stop has a big blue sign. You can't miss it.
A big blue sign. Okay, I'll watch for it.
Thanks for your help. No worries at all. Have a good one.
You too.
See, Lily? People are usually happy to help.
You're right. I was worried for nothing.
It happens to everyone sometimes.
I feel silly for losing count.
Don't feel silly. It's part of learning.
That's true. I'll remember to ask next time.
That's the smartest thing you can do.
Look, I see a blue sign ahead.
That must be our stop. Pull the string.
Okay, here goes. I'm pulling it now.
Perfect. Did you hear the bell?
Yes, I heard it ring.
Great job. Let's get ready to stand.
This is the library stop, folks.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
We did it, Max. We're here.
You did it, actually. I just watched.
That's not true. You helped a lot.
Well, a little, but you were brave.
I feel really proud of myself right now.
You should. This was your first time.
It reminds me of my mother, actually.
Oh, how so?
She taught me to ride the bus back home.
That sounds like a nice memory.
It is. She always said, don't be afraid to ask.
That's good advice. It's true today, too.
I thought about her the whole ride.
I'm sure she would be proud of you.
I hope so. I miss her sometimes.
That's understandable. She taught you well.
Yes, and now I can do it myself.
You really can. That's a big step.
Thank you for being here with me, Max.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
Let's go find Anna's building now.
Good idea. I think it's just around the corner.
I can see the library sign there.
We're close. You did really well today.
I couldn't have done it without your help.
You could have, but I'm happy I was here.
What a day this has been.
I agree. A really good one.
I visited Anna and I rode the bus by myself.
Well, almost by yourself.
True, but I understood everything this time.
You learned a lot today, too.
Yes, I learned what fair means.
And how to pull the string for your stop.
Right, and I met such kind people.
Chen and Jake were both very helpful.
I was scared to ask questions at first.
But you did it anyway. That's brave.
I think asking questions is not weak, it's smart.
Exactly. That's a great lesson.
Next time, I want to try it alone.
I believe you can do that now.
Thank you for trusting me.
Always. You worked hard today.
This was a really good day.
It really was. I'm proud of you, Lily.
I'm proud of myself too.
That's the best feeling, isn't it?
Yes, I can't wait for the next adventure.
Me too. Let's head home now.
Okay, bus 12 again?
Bus 12 again. You lead the way this time.
I will. Let's go.